Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to talk about the E sound. So are you ready? Let's get started. The E sound can occur at the beginning of the word, like in the word yêu, or at the middle of the word, like Huyen, or at the end of the word, like Tai. Now let's see how to pronounce the E sound. First, let's talk about your tongue. The tip of your tongue touches the upper teeth. The body of your tongue touches the hard palate. Tension your tongue and put it a little bit forward. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Open your mouth slightly. Stretch your lips as wide as possible and tension them. The last thing you have to remember about the E sound that it is a long sound. So you have to prolong the E sound in word like yêu, Huyen, Tai. Now let's practice saying some words with the E sound. I'm going to say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. First, the E sound at the beginning of the word. E, yêu, yếu, yên, yếm. Now the E sound at the middle of the word. Xuyên, khuyên, khuya, quyền, thuyền. Now I want to talk a little bit more about the E sound when it occurs at the end of the word and after a vowels. So when the E sound follows a vowel, it makes the vowel sound shortened. For example, here I have the word I. So you can hear that in this word, the E sound is very long, but the A sound is very short because the E sound makes the A sound shortened. Okay, now let's try to say this word again. I, hay, chay, cay, may, mấy, thấy, tẩy, mây, đầy, phí, suy, quý, bay nhảy, máy bay, may thay, ngày nay, luyên thuyên. Now let's try to say a sentence with many of the E sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I wanna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with the normal speed. Chạy, máy, bay, ở, sân, bay. Now a little bit faster. Chạy, máy bay, ở, sân bay. Now with normal speed. Chạy máy bay ở sân bay. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.